Good morning everyone, respected principal and teachers, and my friends. My name is Sising. I read class 1A. Today I am going to give a use of water. Number 1, we can use water for drinking. Number 2, we can use water for washing and cooking. Number 3, we can use water for bathing. Number 4, we can use water for making clothes. Please, thank you.